Hi, so today I'm going to share a very powerful secret. How can you manifest easily and very soon? Okay, so let me just tell you, whatever you're wishing in your life, it has already happened in the universe. Okay, but we are a little slow. Our life is a little slow here. And to reach up to that particular moment where your wishes are coming true, where you are going to manifest, we have to raise our frequency. We have to reach up to there. And how it will happen? That is the frequency of positivity, positive thoughts, positive energies, right? So let's not waste much time, and let's come to the point that law of attraction works every time. Universe works for you 24/7, 365 days. But if your thoughts are positive, if your thinking is positive, it's working that way. If your thoughts are negative, it is working that way. That okay, fine, the feeling of doubt, it's there. Okay, it will happen or not happen, but already it has been happened in the universe somewhere, but we have to reach up to there. Okay, so how we can reach till there and we can manifest whatever we want in our lives? Let's take an example. If you wish to have a car, and that is maybe Mercedes, and you're always saying that I want to have a Mercedes in my life, I want to have Mercedes, but you are not specific at all, first of all. Okay, so Mercedes is just a brand. Which model are you looking for? Are you looking for E-Class? Are you looking for GLC? You should be aware of that, right? What Mercedes? Universe even confused, and you are even not sure which Mercedes model you want in your life. Okay, so first be specific with each and everything detailed. If I say GLC, E class, this class, C class, whatever, and then which color of the car I want. And after that, deciding all these things, go to that Mercedes showroom and just have a feel. Why? Because when you go inside the car and you will drive, you will see the interiors, you will have that feel, okay, fine, this is my car. And if it is my car, and how I will feel, and how I'll drive, how I'll take care of it, how much I love it. These are the kind of thoughts, these are the kind of energies that time will happen in your mind at that point of time in that situation. And you will leave those energies, leave those thoughts over there in that car, in that area, correct? So what happens is, whatever the thoughts you create, it never gets over, it never gets disappear. The thoughts are the energies which always roam around in the universe for lakhs and lakhs of years. It never goes off anywhere, right? So whenever you have created this thought, this is my car, I love this car, these are the beautiful interiors, wow, what are functions, and what is the technology, I'm liking it, I'm loving it, you are leaving these thoughts here. So when you are going back to your home, you do have the base of the visualization, that this was the car, this is the way I was driving, this is the way I was feeling. Every time you're feeling that, and that particular space, place where you left your energy, your positive thoughts, this is my car, these thoughts will create that reality to happen. You will start looking for the opportunities, because that urge of getting it in your life, it will just make you um, you know just get those opportunities in your life, and you would be able to grab them. You will be able to see those particular chances and opportunities, that yes, how can I uh, make it my own? This is the way universe will help you. But if you're just sitting home and you're just saying that I want a car, I wish to have Mercedes, but which color, which model, how are the interiors, how can you visualize that? So this is was just a example of the car, but everywhere in every field of life, you have to feel that particular thing first. If you're saying, if you're wishing to get settled in abroad, So you have to see those videos where you want to get settled. That country needs to be specific, that area needs to be specific, that I wish to be here someday. And you can just put the pictures on your pin board wherever you sit every day, or maybe in your room, or you do have some album every day, you can see that. I mean, there are a lot of many things where you can have a feel of that particular place, or maybe particular thing, that yes, I want to manifest it. This will imply everywhere in your lives, wishes and desires, and then you can manifest. If you are wishing to have a promotion very soon, so start living that particular life, that when you will get promotion, how you will act, how you will react, and what will be your actions, what will be your responsibility. Start taking it right now, and you will see, when it is so logical, when people will see you in that role, they will get they will see, and they will just think about it. They will get helpless to think about, like, yes, this person is deserves this role very much, and we should give. So this is the way it is, and this is the way visualization and this powerful tool of manifestation works in your life. So start doing it, start performing it in your life.